Ever feel like no matter how much you work, your to-do list never gets shorter? What if I told you there's a simple technique that helps you focus better, work faster, and avoid burnout, all in just 25-minute sprints? It's called the Pomodoro Technique, and top performers use it to maximize productivity. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to work smarter, not harder. Step 1. What is the Pomodoro Technique? The Pomodoro Technique is simple. You break your work into 25-minute focus sessions, called Pomodoros, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, you take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. This method works because short bursts of focused work keep your brain fresh and eliminate distractions. Step 2. Why does it work? Studies show that our brains can only focus for a short period before getting fatigued. That's why working for hours non-stop actually makes you less productive. The Pomodoro Technique keeps your mind sharp by resetting your focus every 25 minutes, preventing burnout and boosting efficiency. Step 3. How to use the Pomodoro Technique. Here's how you can apply it right now. 1. Pick a task. 2. Set a 25-minute timer. 3. Work with full focus, no distractions. 4. When the timer rings, take a 5-minute break. 5. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer 15-30-minute break. Step 4. Real-life example, the work sprint trick. Let's say you need to write a report. Instead of staring at your screen for hours, break it into Pomodoro sessions. First session, outline. Second session, write the introduction. Third, body paragraphs. By the 4th session, you've already made huge progress. This trick makes big tasks feel smaller and more manageable. Step 5. Common mistakes to avoid. The Pomodoro Technique is powerful, but only if you do it right. Here are 3 common mistakes to avoid. Checking your phone during focus sessions. This breaks your momentum. Skipping breaks. Rest is part of the system. Working on the wrong tasks. Use Pomodoros for deep, meaningful work, not mindless busy work. Step 6. Advanced Pomodoro hacks. Once you master the basics, here are some pro tips. Use a longer Pomodoro, 50-minute work, 10-minute break for deep, focused tasks. Combine it with the 80-20 rule. Focus on the most important 20 of your work. Use an app like Focus Booster or Tomato Timer to track your Pomodoros. Have you ever tried the Pomodoro Technique? Or do you have your own productivity hack? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what works for you. And there you have it. The Pomodoro Technique is a game changer. 25-minute focus sprints, short breaks, and a structured system to keep you on track. Try it out, and I promise you'll see a huge difference in your productivity. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want more tips on working smarter, make sure to subscribe. Now, go set that timer and start crushing your goals.